Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Toca Life World Plus Plus. This is the modded version, guys, that gives you everything without paying. No jailbreak, no computer needed. It's unlimited, guys. Everything's unlocked. It's like the dream version of the game. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. I'm using the iPhone in this video, but it works on iPhone and Android. So as you can see right here, this is the game. And basically, there's a toggle in the game, guys. And what this does is when you activate it, everything is there. So I'm going to show you guys right here how this works. So let me just go ahead and go over to where you can buy stuff. And as you can see, look at that. So this is super crazy, guys. And I don't even know like the specifics, like how they're able to do this, but it works for me. And I'm going to show you guys how to download it in this video. It's so cool, guys. So yeah, if you're somebody that does not want to pay for this stuff, I'm with you. And I think that it's time. So this is ridiculous, guys. I don't know what they're doing, but it is working. And it's super crazy. So if you want to download this and you're using an iPhone, guys, go to settings, go to general, and make sure that you got the background app refresh on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now, it doesn't matter, to be totally honest with you, but it needs to be on. If it's on off, this isn't going to work for you. So once you've done that, guys, all we got to do is go back, and we're going to go over to battery and make sure that the low power mode is turned off. Now, you'll know this is on because the battery percentage is going to be yellow. This is kind of an obvious one, but if low power mode's on, the phone is going to be really slow because it's trying to conserve battery life. So make sure low power mode is turned off. Once you've done that, guys, all you got to do is go to App Store and make sure that you got those automatic downloads turned on. This is something that should be on by default, but if for some reason, guys, your phone has automatic download switched off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So now we're going to go to the browser, and I'm going to show you guys where to go. So let me just go to my home screen here, and I'm going to go to the site. So here we are. This is the site. It has a bunch of mods or apps and games. So once you're here, guys, just come to the search bar and type in Toca Life World, and you can download it onto your phone. This site is pretty crazy, though. I highly recommend coming back if you ever want another modded app or modded game. So I'm just going to type in Toca Life World, and there it is. Press the download button, and you got it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. It's an amazing trick, awesome stuff, because you don't really think about these mods actually working, but this one, guys, that I just found on this site, it's real. And it doesn't get revoked either, which is really cool because you kind of think about iPhone apps getting revoked a lot, but no, this one does not. And it works on iPhone and Android, so it doesn't matter what phone you have, you should be able to download it. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out about this method. It's super cool, and I just can't even believe it actually works. So yeah, super awesome with this trick, guys. Try it out right now. I'm going to see you all later, and peace out.